Today we will learn how to knit the single rib together. You can use this technique especially for creating nice elastic edgings for sleeves and necklines. And if you want to knit a different rib style, then have a look at our channel. We start with the first row, alternating knit and purl stitches. Please note that when you're working in the round, you actually need an even number of stitches so that you can start a new round when you finish your previous round. By switching from knit to purl stitches. The knitted pieces contract and it actually becomes stretchy, which is why it's actually super perfect for sleeves or necklines. So knit stitch, then purl stitch, knit stitch, purl stitch, and so on. Here you can see the difference between these stitches. The knit stitches can be recognized by the V that it forms and the purl by the small horizontal bars. We now turn the work and we're going to be making knit stitches whenever we see a V and making a purl stitch on each horizontal bar. Here's a V, it's a knit stitch, over which we will be making a knit stitch again. A horizontal bar follows, and here is where we have to knit a purl stitch. Keep knitting alternately until you have reached the desired cuff length. Happy knitting!